Hello friends, today going to share one cake recipe, that is lemon zest cake. Okay, so for this recipe you need for this cake you need some ingredients. Which ingredients I'm telling about? Suppose you need flour. Okay, flour or maida, 1 cup of flour or maida. Same 1 cup of flour and maida, sugar dust you need. Then you need 1 cup of yogurt. Okay, then you need 50 gram of butter, and you need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoon of lemon juice, grated rind of lemon, 1 lemon, and grated rind of 1 orange. Okay, 1 teaspoon you need this one. And if you want to add little dry fruits, you can add over there. I'm not adding here. And you need this kind of baking tray. You have to grease it first with butter. So let's grease the baking tray. Properly all over the baking tray you have to grease with butter. Once it is greasing done, then you have to sprinkle some flour over here, maida, so that it don't stick on the bottom of the baking tray. Now you have to preheat the microwave oven. Okay, so with this baking tray you have to preheat microwave oven for 180 degree. Okay, for 10 to 180 degree you have to bake it, preheat it. So it started to preheat is going on. In between you have to ready the batter only. First you have to add curd, 1 cup of curd, then sugar, then you have to beat it. Add rest of the sugar. Now you have to add butter, then add maida, frequently you have to add maida. Add maida again. you have to add baking soda, again bit. Now add baking powder. Add lemon juice. Next add rind of orange and grated rind of lemon also. You have to bake it for 10 minutes constantly. So the cake will be more fluffy, and remember that it is a eggless cake and very nice flavor it is there because you are using lemon juice and rind of lemon. So you can take this with as a tea snacks. So with this you can serve it for this cake also. Now the batter is ready, so you have to pour it in baking tray. You can see the lemon zest over here. It's looking very nice. Then you just sprinkle some lemon rind, grated rind of lemon, so that it gives a nice flavor and looks also. Yes. I'm adding here little Oreo cookies to give a nice texture with the rind of lemon, grated lemon. A few I'm adding. It's done now. Now you have to bake this cake for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, okay, in 180-degree temperature and in convection mode. So friends, you can see here the cake is ready. Okay, lemon zest cake is ready now. I have to cut it in proper size, then you can serve it with as a tea snacks. Okay, so let's cut the cake. So friends, you can see here how spongy cake it's the zesty lemon cake. Okay, so now you have to cut it in piece so that you can serve it individually as a tea snacks. So let's cut after complete complete, whenever it cool down completely, then you have to cut. Okay. So hello friends, here is the perfect recipe of these snacks, eggless zesty lemon cake. Please try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Bye.